Yun ang mga, ano ba bang tawag ito? Pitugo or palm tree. Tataas po yan. Dito kami sa ibang beach. Sa ibang beach naman kami. Ayan oh, may pader. Ang ganda. May agyanan. Tsaka malinis. Ayan guys oh. Dito kami sa another beach. And what is the name of this beach, sweetheart? It's a oblique.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas
Buenas
tardes.
tardes.
Buenas tardes. Dito kami guys oh. Oh, it's cold. It's supposed to be warm, but it's cold. Oh, there's rocks in there. Oh, a lot of people here. What's the name of this beach? Sorry, sweetheart, I don't help you.
Hey, Emilio. ¿Qué pedo?
Yan guys, oh. Mga bato-bato. My sweetheart. Yan ang ganda ng mga hotel sa beach. Cabo Mar. Ah, look, there's people there. Who's this? Step. Ah, okay.